Waakye is a popular Ghanaian dish. It's made from rice and beans, cooked with millet leaves or sorghum, served with some spaghetti, gari, fish, meat, leaves, avocado, shito chili sauce, and fried ripe plantain. The dish is commonly served with various accoutrements. You know what I mean, right? It's so delicious. Trust me. You can have it for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. I'm gonna leave in the description box the main recipe. Kindly check it out and enjoy this short video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.